Welcome to RV103 Intermediate Electricity. This is lesson number 13, Automatic Transfer Switch. I'm Joe Testa, your instructor. I have 15 plus years of RVing experience. I'm a certified RV inspector from the NRVIA. I'm a certified RV technician. I'm a certified thermographer through the Infrared Training Center. I'm the author of the book RVing for Newbies, and I spend time mentoring those new to RVing. Disclaimers. Standard disclaimer on all Amazon links. It helps support me continuing to author books and courses. You pay nothing extra by clicking on that affiliate link, but I do make a small commission on your purchase. Everything in here in this course was written by me. There is no artificial intelligence AI in this course. Any mistakes you find are truly mine and mine alone. Today we're going to talk about checking your electrical system for loose wires. We're going to start with the automatic transfer switch. This one is the 5100 series called Automatic Transfer Relay. We're going to open it up and then we're going to take a look and see what's in there. Now the first thing we will do is take out your voltmeter. We're going to check to make sure the electricity is off. I will tell you right now, on this that we're about to test, the electricity is on. The reason it's on is I want you to see what it looks like on the voltmeter with the electric on. Then I'll go turn it off. Then we'll check the wiring. You will want to make sure it's off prior to checking wiring. I'm going to do it with it on just so you can see the 120 volts show up on the voltmeter. So if you look at this picture, this will tell you what the hot, the neutral, and the ground connections are. Let's look at the internals of the ATS. Okay, so the wires coming in on the right, we need to do this correctly because we have a live circuit and we don't want to get shocked. Notice on the ends of the wires to the voltmeter, we have ends on them so that only the tiny bit of the probe is sticking out so that we don't touch more than one thing by accident. The short cord power is at the two contacts at the bottom. Left is hot, right is neutral. As we check these, we see there is 118 volts coming in since we're still connected to shore power. The two connections above are from the onboard generator, which is currently not running, as we would hear it as it is right next to this compartment. I've turned off the electric from the shore cord, so now we see 0 volts on the bottom two screws where we checked earlier and saw 118 volts. At this point, we can go in and check for any loose wiring. We will check all of the wiring we see in here to make sure none of the wires are burnt, melted, or loose. The ATS is your brain box for deciding who should feed the RV electricity. If you happen to have your generator running and plug into shore power at the same time, this box decides who wins and who powers the RV. You can't have both of them feeding the RV at the same time. Your ATS makes that decision, hence the reason it is an automatic transfer switch. It happens automatically with no intervention by you. If you have an old RV, I know on my 87 Mallard we had this, if you wanted to plug the generator in to run the RV, you literally had to take your shore cord that would normally be plugged into an outside receptacle, plug it into the outlet for the generator, and the generator would then power your RV. Everything in the ATS here looks good. Nothing looks burnt. Nothing's loose. We'll call this one good and move on.